Hey guys, in today's video, we will learn how to make this super easy, super quick, and beginner friendly crochet ear warmer. So let's get started. For this project, I will be using a medium weight yarn along with a 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start by making a slip knot. Now chain any odd number of chains. I am starting with 13 chains. The number of chains that you start with will depend on how wide you would like your ear warmer to be. After making your foundation chains, skip the first chain and into the next chain. Make a single crochet. Now in the next chain, make a double crochet. A single crochet into the next chain and a double crochet in the next. Also, you can weave in your tail as you make your first row. So it's single crochet in one chain and a double crochet into the next. And keep repeating that till the end. Once you reach the end of your row, chain one and turn your work. Into the very first stitch, which is our double crochet from the previous row, make a single crochet and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Once again, a single crochet in the next and a double crochet into the next stitch. Keep on repeating this till the end. Now chain one and turn your work, and just keep on repeating this particular row over and over again. Single crochet into the first stitch and a double crochet into the next. Keep working this row until your ear warmer is the desired length. Since yarn is usually stretchy, try to aim for a few inches less than the circumference of your head. So for instance, if my circumference is 23 inches, I usually try to make my ear warmer around 19 or 20 inches long. I have finished crocheting the length of my ear warmer. I will finish off with a slip knot. So I'll just make a slip knot on the side. Cut a nice long length. Join the two ends of your ear warmer together. Take a darning needle and join the two ends with a whip stitch. And that was the video, guys. I really hoped you found this video helpful and easy. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more.